Today I'm here at Bob's Big Boy. They have a car show every Friday night, so we're going to take a look at a few of the cars. Here's a Bel Air. Wow, look at that engine. Nice interior. Wings are pretty cool. We have a Corvette. The neat engine. Ford truck. I believe it's a Ford. Yep. And usually you can tell the year on the back here of the lights. Not this one. There's a Mustang. It's like a 68. Chevrolet. Very nice interior. Let's see if we can figure out the year. Let's see, 66, it looks like. 66. A Jaguar. There's that Mustang again. What the heck is this thing? Does anyone know what this is? I've never seen this car before. Wow. That looks like a lot of fun to drive, doesn't it? Is that yours?
No.
Oh, man.
No, I wouldn't be looking at it that close.
Yeah.
It does look like a lot of fun.
It does, man. Let's check out the interior. There's the fire truck. That is cool. I'm still not sure what kind of car this is here. Good. We're good. We're good.
You got it.
Man, listen to that. That's cool. That's neat.
With that. Oh yeah.
Oh. cars have a great interior. A Chevrolet. There you have it. Another Corvette. Another Ford. Ooh, this one's really nice. Look at that.
I'll see you out there sometime.
That looks cool. This one has a Hemi.
I know they shifted the. I think it was shifting the third. And I was like, so they go going in third. And I stand back and look around. And I went back on. I'm like, I can't.
Another hot rod. Oh, this is interesting. Look at that.
You know who Grizzly is?
Yeah.
You know who Grizzly is? He does all the passes. Oh, you know what?
That's neat. There's the interior. Small.
You get the wheel down when you have the wheel down. And
If you want to go this way, or you want to do
I just want to. I like it.
So this is a Venti too, huh? There you have it. Ooh, this convertible's cool. Thunderbird. Look at the size of that trunk. That looks cool. Chevrolet wagon. Ooh, really spacious. Back in the day, the kids were able to ride back here. Can't do that anymore. One of the newer cars. Oh, let's go this way. I like this color, it looks good. Here's the side view. Oh, this one just parked here. Wow. This is your car? What is this?
To start with is 28 Plymouth.
Oh, it's a Plymouth? A 28? Wow.
The rest is all home.
Oh, wow, that's neat. Good for you, man. Looks awesome. There you have it, Plymouth. There's your horn. that's neat. The Mustang. This one's for sale. A few upgrades there. Radio. Ooh, a GT350. Look at that.
I thought we had just a good thing. Impala type of thing. Yeah.
That is clean. No back seats. It's the interior. It's Let's get a back shot here. All right, here are the newer cars, Mustangs. Some more Ford trucks. Let's look at this one. All right, I'll have to check from the other side. This one's for sale. The 68 Ford 250 F250, $9,000. $9,000. Corvette. Looks like the original engine. I like the rims. Rims are cool. Nice interior. Stick shift. Another Mustang. These are my favorite. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The roll cage. That's clean. Another Corvette. This engine looks like it's in a little bit better condition. It's a nice little touch. Wow. Alright, there's the Volkswagen. I've seen the Hot Wheels of this. These are becoming really, really popular. The T2 pickup. That's neat. Looks like they're trying to restore it. They're in the process. 1962. Here's the information on the car. Here's the engine. Here's the front grille. Here's some information on it. 24,500.
See a few new cars, but not too much.
It's the interior. That looks pretty cool. 25 G's. Here's the side view. I'm thinking that license plate alone is probably worth the money. Let's look at this one. Malibu Ss. Another hot rod. Here's the fire truck from the first video.
I love the GMC dash.
There's the engine. Oh, thank you, sir.
That's a 347 from the factory, a Pontiac engine.
Oh, nice.
That's what GMC.
Because the biggest Chevy engine was a 283 in 1957. So if you had a one-ton with more power, they would install a Pontiac 347.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Very nice.
You don't shut the hood just yet. Oh
Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay. Thank you. That is cool. Some more Mustangs. I love these cars. These are awesome. 351. That's cool. Mach 1. I think that's a Hellcat. This looks really comfortable. Cadillac DeVille convertible. Looks roomy. That's neat. This Camaro's in really good condition. These are, I think it's the 90s, late 90s, if not early 2000s. I don't really know my Camaros. So. Another Chevy. .390 engine. What is the name of this one here? Ranchero. Alright. That's neat. They don't make these anymore. Cyclone. Mercury. It's a Ford something, I think. Let's see. Here's the engine. It's the interior. It's an automatic. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a Ford. You guys let me know. Okay, this one's really clean. Look at this. Chevelle. I have the Hot Wheels of all these cars, by the way. It is cool. Here's the engine. Caution. This angle here, that is clean. Ooh, these Porsches, these are so nice. That looks like a lot of fun to drive. Let's check out the interior. They have a phone mount. No radio. Looks clean. Oh, there's an extra seat back there. I think it's a seat. I'm not too sure. Sportster, Chevrolet. Look at all that space. That is neat. I think it's a Cadillac. Wow, this one is really clean. Oh, this is an Impala. Okay, let's look at it again. That's an Impala. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Very clean interior. Has a cassette player. Looks like it has air. It has air conditioning. I see ice, so I'm assuming that it's an automatic. Unfortunately, I'd prefer manual transmission. Still very nice. I think that's all the cars. Ooh, look at this Corvette. A few of the bikes. Here's your modern Corvette. You can see the big difference. It looks like it has boost.